How's it going? Adam Drake here, and I am excited and honored to share with you today some information on the new OS Speed B21 83 nitro engine. This will be offered both as engine only and also as a combo. The combo for the 83 will include the TB03 with 75mm manifold. This is a great all-around option. It's the option that I use for buggy. The only change when using this engine in truck would be to change the manifold to an 85mm, and also the included 7.5mm Venturi. So I'll use the 6.5mm Venturi for buggy and the 7.5mm for truck. There are a few things that the 83 has shared from the 82, and that will include the 21J carburetor, the OSP3 glow plug, and it will also use the same piston sleeve and rod set and crankshaft. So it's still a semi-long stroke 3-port engine, but some of the stuff that is new for the 83 will include the new cooling head. The new cooling head is a little bit lower profile and also much lighter. It's 14 grams lighter than the previous cooling head, and it also has really cool and unique styling with the black and blue anodizing on the outer edge of the fins to match my paint job. The engine also uses a new back plate with a thrust plate. That way, if the rod ever comes in contact with the back plate, there's less chance of any friction or damage to the engine, so it just makes the engine a bit more durable. And then as far as performance goes, the main improvement is going to come from the crankcase. So the crankcase now has machined into it boost bypass ports that allow smoother fuel flow through the engine. It's going to make the engine a little bit more responsive and also much easier to put the power to the ground and to be able to kind of control the engine and time rhythm sections. It really has a nice feel. With the 82, it was always a great engine. People seem to be really happy with it. And before talking about and testing to do the 83, the main goal was just to make sure that we could make an engine that was even better yet. And in doing so, we tried a lot of different stuff. We kind of went all over the place, testing a lot of new things, but we kind of kept settling back to the semi-long stroke 3-port configuration and the new crankcase with the boost bypass ports. Also with the 83, it uses the head button with the O-ring, which will help reduce vibration and also keep any dust out of the engine. So overall, it's a great package for both your nitro buggy and nitro truck. And depending on where you purchase the engine, if you purchase it through the Drake Racing or through selected retailers, you can get these engines with or without our break-in system that we refer to as Drake-in, which is the oil bath or EBIS break-in system.